One of our core tenets of development is that code is read more than it's written. To that end, we must make sure our code is as easy to read and understand as possible. No one writes perfect code on the first try, so it's important that we're continually refining our code so it's easier for the next developer to read, even if we're the next developer. In this video, we're going to discuss what the Inline Function Refactor is, what code smells are indicative to use it, and then work through an example in PHP. Hello developers and welcome to PHP Developers TV, your home for everything you need to know to be a knowledgeable PHP developer. I'm your host, Scott Keck-Warren. Code smell. We should use the inline function refactoring when we find functions that have very small bodies and the body matches the name of the function, so it's not making the code easier to understand. This tends to happen because to make our code as easy to read as possible, we'll want to break our code down into small reusable chunks. This could be overdone, and it's also possible to refactor our code to where this happens. What is the inline function code refactoring? This technique is the opposite of the extract function refactoring. In this method, we take the body of a function and replace all of the calls to the function with the function's body. To perform this refactoring, we will check that the method we're refactoring isn't polymorphic. If it is, the reason it's so small might be because it's being overwritten in subclasses and can't be refactored this way. Find all the callers of the method, replace each of the calls to the method with the method's body, test after each replacement, remove the method. Example. Let's look at an example. Check that the method we're refactoring isn't polymorphic. This is a final class and doesn't extend to parent class, so we're good to go. Find all the callers of the method. We're going to do a quick search over our codebase, and we can see that this method is only called in the user class, so it's a prime candidate for inlining. Replace each of the calls to the method with the body's method. Test after each replacement. We'll run our total test suite to make sure we didn't miss any. Remove the method. See how much cleaner that is? What you need to know. Inline function refactoring is used to remove small functions that aren't adding value. It's the inverse of the extract function refactoring. As always, thank you for watching our video. Please make sure you subscribe, comment, and like, as it does help others find us. Do you want to help support the channel? Find us on Patreon. We would love it, and we'll include your name in our list of supporters in each video. Are you using refactoring in your work? Let us know how it's going in the comments. This is Scott Keck-Warren for PHP Developers TV signing off and reminding you to keep coding.